How to fix Facebook dating not showing. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. So first thing you want to do to fix this dating option not showing is very simple. Open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps and then go to apps. Go to the Facebook app, click here on this option, go down to the storage, click here on this option and this option too to clear all the data and the cache in the app. Go back, click on the power usage details, go to the app launch and then disable manage automatically option, click OK. Go back to the home page, open Play Store or App Store if you have iOS, and then search for Facebook and click here on update if you don't have the latest version. And that's it, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching this video until the very end. See you later.